They have a college program, so you live there and you work there for 6 months, and then you can take classes with them. So I'll take like a close. They don't have like journalism classes. The closest thing I can get. I'll take classes. They have like marketing and PR classes.
Do you get paid? Like a paid internship? It's awesome, girl. That'll be fun. Where will you be living?
They have housing.
Yeah, we're getting close to the cows. You can tell now. You can smell it. Yeah. Getting close to the cows.
That's gonna be nice.
Cows do too.
And I won't be there until then, so. Okay.
There's cocoa down there.
There's the smell of cocoa.
Oh yeah.
What if you're milking? It's called eau de cocoa.
That's our ice cream.
Saucer.
That's ice cream.
Chocolate.
Baby steak. That's what ice
Have you ever been on a phone? Have you ever been on a phone?
Corn flavored.
Wait, darn it.
Taking it too far.
Really?
There's some hogs.
Ladies and gentlemen, we'll ease on off. We'll go inside and have a seat. We'll start.
How do you get the rider cow?
I think I'm going to stack up 2 of these.
I know, right?
They ride them up in the race.